Backtesting every day until unprofitable, day 141. First session in 2025. If you're seeing this, Happy New Year. And yeah, just go into the session. Alright, that's a pretty late session, it's 2 a.m. But yeah. Okay. So I think I'm gonna continue this session, which is gathering data from August and December, just focusing on these months because I've seen from data that my strategy doesn't perform so well in these months. And I want to make a conclusion. Okay, am I going to be trading these months in the future? Because I want to do this full time in the future. And then yeah, just want to make a conclusion. Am I going to be trading this in the future? Yes or no? So yeah, gonna continue with this. Already did August and December in 2020, 2019, and now this is going to be the third year in 2021. So let's see. I don't know how much data I want to gather on this. After this, I've gathered 3 years of data out of those 2 months, for those 2 months. And so far, looking back at these last 2 years, August was in a plus, and then December was in a drawdown. And then in 2019, August in a plus and December in a plus as well. And then I don't like that this was in a plus because in August I was going well, but like end of August I was going bad, and then in December I was going really bad, and then like end of December I was going great. So like let's say I missed a trade in here, like let's say I wasn't able to take a trade in here because I wasn't trading those days, and yeah, so I don't like the data so far that I have. So I don't want to probably get at least this year, and then I'll have 3 years of data. And then maybe even add 2 years to that. And then, yeah, we'll see from there. Yeah, let's look at the charts and let's see where we're drawing towards. So I think I'm going to do top-down analysis from the top all the way down to lower time frame where I take an entry. I'm going to do that on the first trade, and then after this, after that, I'm just going to be zooming in. And just like I already did my analysis then. But yeah, always started a weekly. What is the weekly doing? What is the trend doing? Is it bullish? Is it bearish? Once I come and look for the weekly that is bearish, is exchange and safe delivery. So here, weekly is bearish, I look for shorts. Weekly is now bullish, so I look for bullish prices. Just looking at the weekly time frame. So just here, I can already see, okay, weekly bias is bullish. What's the first high that will be desired if we look at the weekly? Well, the first high here. And then also here on the S, which all-time highs. So that's going to be a really easy target, just looking at the weekly. Looking at the daily. Also, I can't really see anything different from here. I can see that reacted somewhere off this leg here, where we have some imbalances. But I'm not going to mark all of those out. But yeah, I can see, okay, we went from internal, from a busy to probably external then. That's my idea behind it. Going to it like a 4-hour time frame doesn't really matter where, but most of the time I go to from a daily, like a 4-hour, and then look from here. What do we have in here? So weekly, really clean drawn liquidity would be all-time highs here, and then here all-time highs for ES. Looking at this leg here, I can see that we are in this range. So we haven't taken a high, we haven't taken a low, so we are in this range. What do we have in this range? So I can see we have a SIBI here, and I also always look for singular BISIs and SIBIs. So on a 4-hour we have one singular 4-hour SIBI, but I don't know if this is actually on the 4-hour time frame a singular one. It could be on the 2-hour as well, so no. Looking on the 2-hour, we have a SIBI here, another SIBI here, big one, and then Fido, yo. I saw it in my eye corner. I was saying we have a single one here, but I saw Fido in my eye corner. What's up, Fido? What's up? How are you, man? Happy New Year's, Fido, by the way. See you tomorrow, man. But yeah, what I was saying, 2 hour. We have a Sibi here, we have a Sibi here. And on the 4 hour we have a singular one, which is here, which got closed above here. So now I already know the drawn liquidity was here, but now also in this leg, in this range here, I can see that we inverse this and close above it. So inversing it, closing above it, that's the same thing. And then I'm expecting for this to be acting as support. We don't have to tap it, but this just gives me more confidence that this is going to be hit. Just looking at NQ on ES, same thing, 4 hour range high, range low, or you could say range high, range low. We are still inside of this range here. And then in this leg here, this price leg, we have a Sibi here, 6 hour singular one here. So from here, close above, this will be an inversion, close below, reclaimed Sibi, close back above, reclaimed inversion. So this is just an inversion. Looking at this as same thing, like I want to see this get used as support and then trade higher from there. So far I got a really nice direction from here, and same thing on NQ. So that already looks good. And I don't really care about what we have here. Like we have really clean lows here, and then on NQ we have this low, and this low. And if I can drag these lows here, you can see that this is like a clear trend line, so there's a lot of liquidity below. Even though we have really clean liquidity below, I gotta keep that in mind for like later in time, for like the next upcoming days. Like maybe price wants to go there sometime, but I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for the buys up here. That's low hanging fruit. There's no reason to look for lower prices, in my opinion, so far. So happy new year too. Hope you have a good backtest today. Thank you, man. Thank you. You not you still up, Fido? You're not going to sleep yet? And then looking in this leg from swing low to swing high, I'm expecting for this, like this is no inversion leg, but from here I'm expecting or looking for a singular busy. So we have a busy here, a really small busy here as well, 4 hour singular busy here as well, which I could mark out. Also holding this busy, and then holding the inversion. What do we have on ES in this leg? Like a 1 hour busy here, another one here from high to low, here, 2 hour, nothing here. And we don't have anything in this leg here. We're about to create one maybe here, but that's not one yet. 4 hour, maybe a forced busy, so that's why I'm skipping time frame. So here in the 4 hour you can see we have no imbalances. This is all balanced. And the 6 hour from swing low to swing high, we have a singular 6 hour busy, so that'll be a forced one. So also expecting for this to get acted as support. We don't have to tap it, but if we do tap it, then I'm expecting for it to go higher from there. So far a nice reaction, which to the damage then. And then yeah, I think this looks really good. I do have to go to the right day though, which is I only do my analysis once or like at 9:30. Or just before 9:30, but yeah, now this already closed this day here, so I did all this analysis for nothing. But yeah, so here go to the next day, and I will be trading I won't be trading this day because this is the day before NFP, and I'm going to Friday, so all this analysis really didn't matter. But yeah, so far like this looked really nice, but I wasn't trading these days because I've made rules to not trade the day before NFP, because I've seen most of the time that the market doesn't really move that clean, like a lot of manipulation the day before NFP. So I don't want to be trading that. But yeah, direction was pretty nice here. That inversion, which was on the 4 hour here, busy here as well, and the same thing on ES, low hanging fruit, the target here. And yeah, I want to do my analysis and I fully explain it because I got a question, someone asked that last week or this week. Just wanted to do it, and then now I can also do it. Like for now, still what I do weekly, I go to the lower time frames. What would be the target? Low hanging fruit here. Low hanging fruit here. Where are we trading lower to? I can already see that we're not really moving in tandem here. Like NQS is really bearish candle here, and then ES like it's not bearish at all. And then what do we have in this leg here? This looks a bit more complicated, but swing low to swing high, I can see that we have 1 hour in here, 30 minutes, 30 minutes in here. Okay, another one here. 1 hour, we have one singular one here, which this gets closed below. doesn't mean that this is an inversion now, because if we close below this here on NQ, then ES also has to do that, and you can see like ES nowhere near inversing the same busy here, which is all the way there. So what is ES holding? Looking in this leg here, ES didn't even take the swing low here, so we're still respecting this leg. 30 minutes, 50 minutes, 5 minutes, 50 minutes, alright. So this 50 minutes still getting respected. No closure below, so from here I'm just expecting from internal to external. And then an NQ, because we closed so far below this, and I'm still expecting for this to be this to become a reclaimed busy, because I'm expecting for NQ to just follow ES again, because still the barrier time frame is bullish. So I could mark out the range in here. So what would be the range in here? It could be anything really, but I would like to say like these here. Doesn't really matter, but I'll just mark out multi entry then. To just give me a bit more like a direction where we are, or like an indication where we are in the price leg. So if I'm looking on like a lower time frame, then this looks like I'm trading in a void, and I really don't know. So if I just have these lines in here, I know, okay, yeah, here are those lows that I have the range drawn from. I'll go to eat some food and I'll go to sleep. Nice, Vidal. Busy day today? Yo, bro, I can hear the little Dutch accent. I'm Dutch, yeah, man. And also a bit of yeah, talking a bit like I'm tired, I think. But yeah, I'm a bit tired. But yeah, I did it myself. Like, look what the time is now. Yeah, so let's see now. What was I saying? What pairs do you usually trade? I only trade NQ and ES. But I'll be watching when I prepare my food. Nice, man, nice. What are you gonna make, Fido? So yeah, I'm looking for bullish prices. And then yeah, 930. So I'm expecting for ES to just hold this, and then yeah, where we are here, 930. I'm expecting for this to trend up into all-time highs. Then after that, there's no reason to look for lower prices. So I'm just gonna be looking for longs, 830 news, no other news, and then yeah, we'll see. A lot of clean lows here, maybe like a 930 juice swing lower, taking out some of these lows, maybe this low as well. And then expecting still for to go higher. Oh. Yo, Redstone, what's up, man? And the juice swing doesn't always have to be doesn't always have to be occurring. So right now I was expecting for like the juice swing to go here. So I have a lot of clean lows here, which is like a trend line. But yeah, we're just nowhere near there. Could maybe go there again, but yeah, we don't have to go there before we go higher. That's just what I'm looking at. 947, nothing here. Is there? This will be an entry, 948. Taking out all these equal lows. Even though I don't really like the entry, I have to take this. Right here's the entry. Stop at the low. That would be inversion. What do you trade, Davey? That'll be the break even already. That isn't taken on yes, and then here will be the break even on yes. I don't really like to trade here because, again, I said like we have really clean lows here, and maybe the market wants to go to this. And we already did take out a low inside of the trend line liquidity here, so the trend line already like got broken. But still, like we have a lot of clean lows here. But yeah, still I have to take it. And then this will be break even. And then first EP will be the minimum of 1 to 2, side 1 to 3, and that will be all-time highs. I'm expecting for it to go even higher than that, and then we fixed 3.5 because there's no other what is it? Other target in all-time highs, of course. So we'll see if we want to get here though. But yeah, August and December normally don't expect great price action. That's literally the reason why I'm doing this backtest session, but we'll see. No other news. Yeah, so hopefully this is yeah, okay. I'm gonna be a losing trade. Copy link, and I have to make a new one in Notion. So again, I always want to be saying this like this could be a setup that, like, even though I didn't like this, like normally I could see this playing out, but what I'm doing now in this session, I'm only backtesting August and December because I've already seen from a bit of data that my strategy doesn't perform so well in August and December. And now I'm specifically only backtesting August and December, only those 2 months, to make a conclusion for myself. Am I going to be trading that once I will be, because I want to be doing this full time eventually? Do I want to be trading this then in the future? So I want to make a conclusion. Am I ever going to be trading August and December again? Do I need to do something different here? Like, that's what I'm after with the data here. So for what I want this data to show me is, I want the data to show me that terrible results actually. Like, I want to be a major drawdown in these 2 months, then I can literally make a decision. Okay, like, I've seen like my strategy is just, it doesn't perform well in these months. Like, I'm in major drawdown just looking at this data, so I can make decision. Okay, I'm not never ever trading these months again, or something different. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I have to make something new here. August, yeah. Oh, I already made one. Did it say loss on a Friday? Yeah, that's the idea behind this session. Gold, been trading for only 2 months now, but I want to master gold before I move to another pair. Nice, Dave. Yeah, that's a good. That's a good. What is it? A mentality, or just. Yeah, that's a good thing to do in trading, I think. Yeah. So yeah, now waiting for 10 a.m., which now we trade lower still. Didn't take all this trend line liquidity yet, so still waiting for my setup though. If it does form, then I have to take it. Don't think it will here, which it literally just did. And then break even will be still at the high here, which hasn't been taken, so it is an entry again. Didn't take out all the trend line lows again, so I don't know about the setup. And then yes, also really clean equal lows. Yes, still I have to take this. This will be the inversion. We still did take liquidity here, so this candle here rated then these equal lows. Oh, it's not even equal lows here, but this is rated this low. So equal lows taken. This should send price lower, but now, yeah, it did send price lower here and then already closed above here, but that was then coloring outside the lines. But yeah, this take out the liquidity, and from here deep retracement, and then there's nothing in here. So singular SIBI inside this entire leg. We do have one here as well, but this one already got fully closed in, so this is already balanced. So I don't look at this one here, the first one, and then this should be where I go break even. So yeah, we should at least go there, I would say. Stop at the low of the sweep. I read the break even really tight again. Stop. And our first TP again, all-time highs. I don't look at this high, I think. Or yeah, this is not a 1 and 2, so it doesn't even matter. And this in an open imbalance. And then here, yes, break even. And I'm expecting for it to trade through here to higher. This is not even a 1 and 2 at all-time highs, so it's going to be a fixed 1 and 2. And then we'll see. So let's see. I think it's at least going to be break even, but who knows. This already looks really bad, but we'll see. Yeah, and then this just already shows me, like this price action here. We were in this range for how long? Like to this low. This was a trade for almost an entire hour. We didn't do anything, but this would be good. This is something I want to be looking for, like the losses. I want to be a major drawdown in these months, so this would be a good start. But I just want to say it, like, otherwise it's going to be like, oh man, why did you take the setup? Why are you trading this? Like, oh, that strategy doesn't work. Like, I know the strategy works because I've backtested. What is it now? Like 5 years with the strategy. 5 years. I don't think it's 5. I think it's 3 now. 4. But yeah. Still, like, I know it works, but in these months it's just, yeah, it just is really a thing. Like, it's just a seasonal tendency here. Yeah, going to the next day. Go to Monday then, and there won't be AM session trading. Just approaching the economic calendar like how I'd normally be looking for a setup. And that'll be Monday. Only AM session trading in here. Deep retracement, where to? Again, bigger time frame is bullish. Like, I'm not gonna go all the way through here. And this 1 hour was thinking still. I'm using some Dutch words because I'm that sleepy. Where are we now on ES? I'm looking for a singular gap in here. That's a 4 hour. So in ES we have a singular 4 hour here, which we retraced into. Respecting this, again, low-hanging fruit, that's what we're reaching for. And then NQ trading all the way lower, like that would be the gap in here, singular one then, I think in the entire leg. 2 hour. Oh, it's even a 2 hour, so singular 2 hour in this entire gap. Even though NQ is below this, ES is still respecting the range in here. And then NQ also. Or NQ is following what ES is doing because bigger time frame is bullish. So if we do want to tap it, oh, and we did tap it, equilibrium, and then from there expecting a reaction higher into the buy side, and then same for ES. And then looking at this as a market maker buy model, looking at stage of accumulations. 30 minute again is doing weird, like look where we are. This is Friday, and now we're at Monday. FX replay really gotta fix it. But let's see, like these would be stage of accumulations, like this 30 minute, and then here as well. That would be really clean on 30 minute, maybe do like a 31 minute chart or a 29 minute. Yeah, so here stage of accumulation, stage of accumulation, stage of accumulation, stage of accumulation. But ES already took out all of those, so I'm not gonna mark those out. So only the only target I'm looking at is all-time highs on ES or on NQ, and then here on ES because this is all already taken. How many years did you backtest your model? For now, I backtested it on at least 3 years. I think I'm beginning the 4th year, but this is now December or August and December from like different years again. So yeah, let's see, where are we trading lower? Where could we be trading lower into? Probably something in here. Down on ES, just looking at ES. I think ES looks cleaner in here. 1 hour. Do a 1 hour in this entire leg, swing high to swing low. Singular 1 hour busy here. Alright, let's see. Tapped it there. Still expecting for this to respect price and then go higher to the buy side. That'll be low hanging fruit now. And this will be low hanging fruit on NQ. This still could be part of the Judas swing. We don't have any news. So yeah, let's see. And then I would be bearish if ES closes below this, but then NQ also has to close below it, a singular one, which there isn't a singular one, so it's going to be 2 then, which then probably going to be 3 minutes. Oh, we have a singular one, that's only 3 minutes here. Don't think NQ is going to close below this here, so I think it's still going to be bullish, but who knows. 10 AM will show. So far we're in that direction on ES. Trading lower now, equal lows taken, 10:01. That'll be a Sibby 2 minute, which there isn't even a 2 minute one, but waiting for more structure then. Taking that low, we do have an inversion here. Didn't take out any equal lows though. Well, actually we did. That'll be the entry then, but or here would be the entry, or no, or here would be the entry. I think this is going to be break-even trade because I would already be break-even here. So let's see if this comes back. If this is a loss, which it isn't a loss because I already have break-even. But if it's a win, then I have to take it. And that's already on this candle, I'll already be break-even, so nothing here. I would like to stay, but gotta work tomorrow. Keep up the good work, Zero. Good luck tomorrow, man. I'll see you sometime again then. Thanks for joining, man. So yeah, let's see where we are now. So now this low, except all the liquidity here, or actually this low, should be this low. Didn't take out the equal lows, but then again, like this would be the inversion then, but we didn't take out the equal lows on this candle, so no, it wouldn't be an entry. Or we are above second stage distribution actually. First, low risk first, and this would be second. Okay, so it would be an entry if you do close above actually. Which we do right there. That's the inversion, and then we did take, or it didn't take equal lows, but we do have an S&T at the low and fell to close below this. So it doesn't matter, either one of those two has to happen, and then it will already be a valid trade if we are above second stage distribution, which we are. These equalize are the break even, or is where I would go, or where I go break even. And then there on yes, first minimal 1 and 2 are as first TP then, and that'll be there. And this will be full TP if we want to get there. This will be inside of A1 at 8. Right, so let's see. Let's break even. No TP yet. Okay, break even trade. It's also something on December, which is just crazy. Like, or this is August, like not December, but December would be the same. But yeah, look at that. What is the chance that we create equalize on this and then trade all the way lower? What's the chance? Yeah, that is that is unfortunate, but yeah, it is what it is. And yeah, they prevent me from getting fully stopped. So look at that. That's just crazy. And that's on a Monday. Break even. And that's the AM session already, I think. Or no, not yet. That'll be the AM session. Wow. That'll be the AM session. To the next day. Eventually we do go there. What time? PM session. Look at that rest of the price action. It's just terrible. All right. So where are we trending towards now? So now again, this singular gap, which was on the 2 hour in this entire leg, equilibrium tapped. This BISI got closed above again. So now I'm expecting for this to be a weekend BISI, shooting prices higher from here. And then on ES, maybe it could be the same thing. 2 hour gap will be in here. We didn't close above it yet, but in 29 minutes we probably will do. That'll be a weekend BISI then. Alright, let's see. So yeah, it's still the drawn liquidity would be up here. We are on Tuesday, don't know if we have news. Oh, we don't have any news. Go to the next day where I don't care what we do here. That's the day without news. I'm not trading that. Only looking where I would be trading and then looking at what we will do there. So we have CPI 8:30, and then Thursday. Yeah, looks like a good trading week. But so on ES we did eventually go higher into the buy side, respecting this still. And then we're really not moving in tandem here, which is crazy. Like, we're really off here with ES on a bigger time frame, which is you don't see often. This got closed below again. Again, an inversion, but we're still bullish on a bigger time frame. I'm just looking at what ES is doing. Because bigger time frame is still bullish, so that's why. So yeah, now this range here could mark out optimal trade entry again, or equilibrium, which we have equilibrium here. Don't know if we tapped this. No, we didn't. But yeah, equilibrium, and now we did take equal lows or sell side in equilibrium here. We did already take it here, but day without news, maybe not the right time. Now a day with news, in the right time this would be then, and then equal lows taken, or some sort of liquidity taken in equilibrium, which would then be pretty good for still. We're still seeing the market go higher from here. And then all-time highs, that's the target on in Q. That's the only target because this high is already taken on ES. I really don't look at that anymore. So yeah, don't really care about what we have here on the left here. Could mark out an inversion if there is one, but seeing that we don't have one there, so. Could look at market structure here, like could look at like an imbalance, like a 50-minute senior imbalance in here. But this would basically give me the same year. Just looking at the market structure, looking at what we have here, like equal lows or yeah. So let's see. 8:30 CPI. We have no other news. We'll see what we do. Oh, I think this could be the Judas thing for then after. It's in price higher after. So still looking for longs. Waiting. Trading lower now. Time is this 9:46, 9:47. It is in the right time. Did take equal lows on this, and we are in this gap here, and this would be the inversion, really tiny one. And I think we did close above it, which we did, yeah. Oh, but I would be break even on here, which you can see ES already, again, not moving in tandem. ES already took the high up here, right there, so it's not an entry. So I'm waiting, still waiting for more structure here. Letting this all play out, still going lower. Where are we going lower into? Still in this gap here, could be in deep discount. Still looking for longs. Looks like accumulation to me. Could be manipulation again, waiting for like a distribution. 10, 15. Don't know if this is still part of the juice thing, but I'm still looking for longs. Train lower. Just looking at the internal structure. If you persist on a 2 minute, then it will be an entry. What you don't yet. It's really choppy. And then yeah, would say bias would be wrong here, but what are we really doing in here? Like we did trade into the gap, take out liquidity here, do an SMT at this, but still like if I just look at this, like okay, like I would say, okay, yeah, now this looks obvious, but still the bigger time frame is bullish. Like there's still like if I just look at yes, like this is still bullish. Why would I be looking for where lower? Like what's the actual target I would be looking for here? So yo Blade, what's up, man? I'm great, man. It's going great. Session so far, nothing too special. How are you, man? Yeah, this 4 hour got disrespected still, but yeah, in Q or yes, still respecting this, and this is something like I haven't seen this often. But we do have a big SMT, or not yet actually. Maybe you want to do that big SMT at the low, and then from there have direction higher. Still in the right time. 4 hour low would be 4 hour low as well. I think we'll just take this, and then it will be the AM session for me. Okay, so we've now taken this. Now I have to wait for at least 5 minute low to get taken. And I'll be outside my kill zone. Go to the PM session. So far, nice reaction. And then now we do have an SMT at this low, and then this could be direction higher. Who knows? Looking at this market make a buy model. Stage of accumulation here. It's already taken. Be one here. Be one here. Here. Really nice up there. Alright, so let's see here. Just looking at the market structure again. Let's see what we do. Just playing out all price here. Alright, nothing here. Where are we trading into? We don't have a singular gap in here. We have one here. 2 minutes, 1 minute. Did you have 1 minute? Not 2 minutes. Okay, so it is a 2 minute in here. So we did inverse this. And yes, there's nothing in here. Doesn't look like anything. 5 minute did get close below. Would say we took out a range high here, so we could be looking for shorts until here, which is what is it now? This got inversed right there, and then on ES, this 5 minute got inversed, which I'm still looking for longs, but and that'll be here on ES. Now I have to look for shorts here because we are in this imbalance here, and then we take out these highs here, and then we should respect this somewhere here, take somewhat of liquidity and then go higher. But now I'm looking for shorts either here until here or either there. Yo, Densis, saw you randomly on my feed earlier today and decided to watch. I saw that you were backtesting with FX replay. If you have premium, could you show what futures does that briefly? Don't want to bother you. No, you're good, man. Already yeah, what are differences? A lot actually, but you can have unlimited sessions. So looking at this, I think you with the intermediate version you could have like 10, and here I'm having like, or yeah, like I have different pages. That's how many I have. But that's the thing. And also another is you could go back on second search, so you could literally backtest in where does NQ go. It goes as far back as like 2012, and I'm now in 2021, and I can literally go on like a 1 second chart and then read price action from a 1 second chart, which is crazy. What else? Yeah, FX replay. I love FX replay, like it's so good. Limited indicators, just looking at this. Limited charts, I only use 2, but still. 6 months data retention. I honestly don't know what that means. 10 backtest sessions and unlimited. Oh yeah, and here I should look at these would be the best if there's something like you need. Like I'm gonna put this few seconds up. Like maybe you see something that like you could pause the stream, and maybe you see something that you like. Yeah, I'm really happy with what I'm paying for, if I'm being honest. But yeah, let's see what we have here. So like for shorts now, which I don't want to be. Like I want to be looking for longs, but I have to look for shorts now. Which, oh, I can't be looking for shorts because this got closed above when it did too. I actually didn't even look at this. So yeah, still NQ again, or ES again closed above this, so reclaim busy. ES and NQ have to take out the range high, or one of them has to take the range high, and then both have to close below some bullish imbalance, singular imbalance. But yeah, now again ES closed above, bigger time frame is bullish, so look at what ES is doing. So we could mark out the range on NQ. Where are we going? How far are we retracing? Don't have to tap equal to optimal trade entry, but just for an indication. So again, yeah, still look for bullish prices. Nothing changed. So far, didn't miss anything. No, waiting. Price section doesn't really want to go. Okay, what do we do? 1422. Fractal leg here. Sell side. Singular swing low, then this would be swing low, swing low. Okay, so it would be an entry. Closure above would be right here. That would be inversion. That would be equal lows. Bigger time frame still bullish, even though I don't really like the trade. Like it's not looking that clean, but still, I have to take it. And then we do really clean lows here on ES as well, which is crazy actually. But yeah, we'll see. That's like August and December. The whole reason, like I want to have bad results in this. So if it's a loss, then it's just, that's good. That would be good. First TP, middle 1 or 2, and side 1 or 3. That's literally right there at 1 or 3, which would be first TP. And that would be final. And then that'll be here on yes, and then here also. Yo, Warchar, what's up, man? How's it going? Did you have a good Christmas? Yeah, definitely, 100%. Like, it's crazy how fast it all went again. Like Christmas, New Year's, crazy. Like I don't know, it was different than last year. Like not different, but like not like less fun or something. But I don't know, like it went so much faster. I don't know why, but well, I had a great time. I was you're a Christmas man, and the holidays in general. How was it, man? And I'm great. How are you? So yeah, let's see what we do here. And that's a break even. And then yeah, again, what I said, first TP at the 1 and 3 here. And then yeah, we'll see. So far looks good, but again, August and December price action could maybe be a break even. Like wouldn't surprise me if this now goes here. Like could be anything, who knows. But so far I think it looks good. But yeah, who knows? Okay, oh, so now we did take it. Oh, we already took it on ES, shit. We took it on this candle already, which is that 1 or 3. Should go back. Hopefully we go a bit lower again. Okay, right here. So we took the buy side. And this that 1 3. Oh, this was full TP actually. Oh shit. Okay, I have to go back here then. It's what it is. Alright, so the entry. So this, yeah, this would be a really nice trade. Like this would be what I normally see in good price action. That's what I would normally be looking for. So that's the break even. And I ES took it, so I'm looking at ES there. That exact same high. Somewhere here. Let's rush off that busy then again, reclaim busy. And then yeah, we took it there. Yeah, so right there, that's 75% off then. And then full TP, that's at the high here, which is, yeah, that's the high all the way up there. But yes, that's really clean highs there. So once we take that, that's right there, and that's full TP. Oh, which if it's not a 1 and 2. Oh, so I'm here. What is it now? Where did I take it off? Here. That's not a 1 2. I always take minimum of 1 and 2. So I think I would close it 100% right there. Like on the next candle probably. It would be full TP at the 1 and 2, because at the time, at the 1 and 2, yes, it's already taken the boat there. There's going to be 1 and 2 full TP. So it can go back. Could you explain how you determine break-even level, where you put your first and final take profit lines? Yeah, so, okay, so in this case here, I replayed this. Okay, so I spotted my entry here. This is my entry. Take out equal lows, and then you have to at least take equal lows. Like it doesn't have to be equal lows of like, it always have to be like this, but no, most of the time it will be something like this, like actual equal lows. But it's just, this could be enough as well. So this is that low. And then we have a swing low here, taken on one swing low. So swing low taken on one swing low. So that will be equal lows then as well. So it'd still be a valid trade. This is the inversion. Closure above would be then my entry, which is here. Mark out the inversion there. That's my entry. My stop is always at the low of the sweep. And then looking, I always look at a market maker buy model, market maker sell model. So this would be my entry. What I do then is I look for where would be my first TP. So that would always be a minimal of 1 to 2. And then inside of a 1 or 3, so minimal of 1 or 2, max 1 or 3 RR. And then looking at stage of accumulation. So targets are always going to be stage of accumulation. So this is a stage of accumulation. So stage of accumulation here. This would be a stage of accumulation. This would be a stage of accumulation. And then this would be the market maker buy model finished. But going into like a bigger time frame, this would be the smart money reversal, like you could say here or here. But then this would be a stage of accumulation. This would be a stage of accumulation. And then this would be a stage of accumulation. So again, all these are then targets. But what I do, minimum of 1 and 2 are as first TP. And then max 1 and 3 are as like, or yeah, inside of a 1 and 3 R. And then max TP, they'll be inside of a 1 to 8 RR. So if the target is inside of a 1 to 8 RR, so let's say stage, I always mark a stage of accumulation. So looking at this, if this was inside of a 1 to 8, and this would be my second TP, so there weren't any other stage accumulations than this, and this is like inside of a 1 to 8. It's really maybe I shouldn't have said this all like this, maybe too much, but still, this is inside of a 1 to 3, perfect. This is for example a 1 to 8 RR, as there's nothing in between here but stage accumulation here, and this would be final TP inside of a 1 to 8. But let's say it was beyond a 1 to 8 RR, a 1 to 8.5, then I would have it at that as well, like the first TP, that would be also final TP. But that's something for, I don't know why I said that, but that's something for later. But yeah, just looking at this, entry, stop at the low, stage of accumulation here. First look where my target is, minimum 1 or 2, inside of a 1 or 3. Then what would be here, if I mark all these out again, inside of a 1 and 2 R, no. Minimal 1 and 2 R, no. Minimal 1 and 2 R, yes. Minimal 1 and 2 R inside of a 1 and 3, yes. So okay, this first TP, ignoring all of this, because why? Because bigger time frame for me is also still bullish. Like for me, there's no reason to look for lower price. So I'm looking at all of these as targets. So I'm looking what the max I can get out of this. So this would be first TP, minimal 1 and 2 inside of a 1 or 3. Next stage accumulation, that would be my full TP. Then where would I be break even? I would be break even always at first swing height. It would be here if it's inside of a 1 to 1. So this is a 0.69 RR. It's inside of a 1 to 1, so I'll be break even here. But looking at the 1 minute as well, also look at like opening efficiency. So I look at this and I see, okay, this candle fully closed in this imbalance, and I see an open imbalance here. So I expand it to here just a bit more, and then this would be where I'd be break even. So it always sounds really complicated, but to me it's really simple. And once, like, it's all objective. Like once you see Like once you know the rules, like it's really simple. Like I could go to the next trade and really could simply show it again. But this now maybe sounds really, complicated, but it's gonna be really simple. I'm gonna show it on the next trade. So yeah, but yeah, 1 and 2 for full TP. Because yeah, I explained that already. But want to go to the next trade and then show that, because now I want to be doing that. Go to that quickly, otherwise it's going to be really complicated. And that was on a Wednesday, okay. So hold on. Okay, let me go to the next day. I'm just going to be looking for my entry model and then see, and then mark out where I'll be breaking, where I'll be taking profits. Remove drawings. Okay, so where are we trending towards? W trade was a nice trade, yeah. So let's see what we have here. And then this entire leg, 12-hour daily. Okay, so we have a daily busy, which got closed below. Awesome, man. Thank you so much. Really appreciate how in depth you explain everything. Thank you, man. Yeah, of course. Yeah, so here again, look for bullish prices. There's no reason to look for lower prices, even though we're not really moving in tandem. Still should follow what we are doing on ES. So that's the target, that's low hanging fruit. And then this is the target as all-time highs. So always mark out all-time highs here, and that's all-time highs for ES as well. So we did close below this, but still ES is respecting, or not respecting. It's still bullish. Like it's still, there's no reason to look for lower prices. So what I'm doing here, marking out the range here, which could be anywhere from, doesn't really matter, but I just want to have it to give more of an indication where we are in the charts. So mark out that as the trade entry. Okay, I do see that we close below here, and then maybe yes, this did as well. So then maybe I have to look for shorts. 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. This leg here, this looks all balanced. We don't have any inefficiency, so I think that's just going to be looking for longs. Oh, we do have one here, 5 minutes. This got closed below. And then NQ as well. So it's going to be looking for shorts. 2 hour. Until that range low, which that'll be here. So looking for shorts if this closes below. Now I'm still looking for longs, but if this closes below, I'm looking for shorts until here. And from there, again, bullish. So I want to look for an entry again so I can show how and where I do everything, and where we can break even, where I take TP and stuff. So yeah, now that range low is taken, we at least have to wait for 5-minute low to get taken, which I think we already did actually. Yeah, we did here. So this swing low got already taken. So now I can look for bullish price again. Thursday, do we have any news? Actually, 8:30. Yeah, no other news. Looking for the inversion. Don't have anything here, I think. No, we don't have anything here. So waiting for structure. Yes, did take out really clean low. So nothing here. Waiting. 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I think this is gonna be one. Not yet. Oh shit! I thought it was on 1 minute. Yeah, you can see I already took a. I would have taken an entry there. I think actually. I'm on a 3-minute chart now. Don't know if he took equal lows. Yeah, we did. So again, this low, taken on a 1 swing low, and then we have on a 2 minute or like a 1 minute. Sibby here, from swing high to swing low, 2 minutes. Sibby here, 3 minutes. We have one singular Sibby from swing high to swing low. I mark out this one. And then look at the same time frame where we have the singular inversion. And then also on this time frame, I have to look, do we have equal lows? This low taken on 1 swing low. I see this as equal. 2 lows taken, or like not equal lows, but just 2 lows taken. Like I should make it to that actually. And then once we close above, that's an entry. Now we're still respecting it. And then the closure above has to be on a 3 minute. If it's a 1 minute closure above, I don't care. It has to be on a 3 minute chart. And that was right there. So here, yeah, that'll be my entry. My stop is going to be huge. Like I don't like that. Like I saw the run higher, but yeah, expecting for it at least to go higher. But that's my entry. And then here, why would I be break even? So looking at this as a market maker buy model, this would be the smart money reversal. This would be stage accumulation. This would be stage accumulation. Looking at this in here, I don't look at this really here, or actually could mark this one as out as well. It doesn't really matter anyway. Here, Doesn't matter, stage accumulation doesn't have to be on the 3-minute chart. I could just look at where it's the most clean. It's like a 50 minute. Let's say the 50 minutes most clean. Because as you can see here, like I would say this is all noise then. And just at the 50 minute, you can see swing high here, swing high here, swing high here, swing high here. So stage accumulation, and then one here as well, stage accumulation, and then there as well. So my entry, where I would be break even, then I do look at a 3-minute time frame. And then in here, I can see right here, we don't have an open inefficiency because this already got fully closed in. So this is balanced. Open inefficiency, that would be here. So there I'll be break even if it's inside of A101. It is inside of A101. Oh, and stage accumulation, sorry, that's just for the target, I mean. So right there, I'll be break even on here. And then first TP will be minimum of 102. 102, no, 102, no, 102, no. So that means, yeah, I'm ignoring all of this literally. And then this is break even. And then that same high on ES. So looking at this time frame, that'll be for ES this candle. Also in open inefficiency, that'll be here. And then, yeah, we don't have anything in here. Like it's not a 1 and 2. So I'm going to be looking for the bigger time frame. Stage accumulations here then. And then that'll be here on like a 1 hour. And then literally the first next one would be here. Inside of A103, it's beyond a 103. It'll be so high. Wow, it's actually so high, but it's outside of A103. So what it's going to be, it's going to be a fixed 102. And then this will be final TP. That's like full TP. I'm really, I really don't know with this trade. Like I saw that we had a nice push higher, but I don't know. But yeah, I have to take this, and it is an entry. So place order, save, and then we'll see. And then fixed 102. That's just only looking at NQ. And then that same target, like this full TP, that is something I would be looking for yes for. Oh, actually, this is already taken on the yes, so it looks really complicated because we're really not moving in tandem here. But this is taken on the yes already. So the only target then would be the all-time highs here, which is insanely high, but it's inside of 108. So this would be full TP. You trading open tomorrow? Or tomorrow looks good? Well, I'm really curious about tomorrow then. Yeah, I will be trading tomorrow. It will be first... yeah, hopefully it's going to be a good trading day actually. Don't know what the charts are looking like. I think it's going to be like for shorts. Inversion here. Low hanging fruits. Yeah, yes as well. It looks really clean, I think, yeah. I don't know. It feels like tomorrow is Monday, but of course no, it's not Monday. Yeah, 3 minutes, so let's see here. That's a break even. And then, yeah, I'm not doing anything until, like now I'm at break even because that point got hit. But now I'm either TP or break even, like I'm not doing anything in between. Or it will be outside my kill zone, then I'll close it. What is it? What is it now? Manually. So not there yet. And that's TP, I think, yeah. See if I can actually take it off on... FX replay because I can't do partials with like contracts. This is so annoying. And see a bit higher. Come on now. Nice. Yeah, there's the 1 and 2, 75% off there. And now all-time highs, that will be full TP. And then that's already taken on yes, but it's all-time highs. Like that's a significant target. So that would still be the target. Don't think we will get there, of course. Like it's really like what is the chance we go all the way there now? But now I'll just close it manually, and I'll be at 1508, and then I'll be outside my kill zone, and then I'll just close it again manually. 1505, or what's this? 1509. Yeah, it doesn't matter. 100% off there. And because I've seen most of the time, like the last hour of trading after that, like the kill zone, the macro, that last macro that IC says, I've seen that market most of the time reverses from there. Like when I'm in a trade, I've literally had trades like where I was in profit here, and then I would hold for that last hour, and literally once that macro started, it literally just went to here. Like, not maybe this would be a really far move, but like the retracement in that last hour would be crazy. But yeah, again, nice trade. All right, and then yeah. Nice. So these are the inversions that normally I see with clean price action, and so far this looks clean, but yeah, just a few. Some days are clean in August, some days are really not, but these are clean. And this was a Thursday. Oh shit. Thursday, right? Yep. So yeah, if I can look at this, like this is exactly what I want to be seeing. Like if I just go to a random winning trade, like the no retracements, inversion for A gaps, those are the best trades. Like just the instant runs, like this one, close above, boom, and then probably more. Close below, boom, no retracement at all. And then here, close above, boom. Like these are the inversion trades where I base my model off of. Like these are the ones I want to be in. So yeah, with these ones, this one's crazy, but this would just be another one of those. But yeah, clean, nice. Going to the next day where it will be Friday, medium epic folder news, but I'm not trading medium epic folder news on a Friday, so I'm going to Monday, which no news. Going to Tuesday. Red folder 1 hour before open, nice. All right. Thanks again, really appreciate it. Of course, Hocha. I love sharing it. Of course, man. Let's see. Unemployment claims. Yeah, Friday looks good then as well. Like some good news this week. I don't know what next week's gonna be. NFP week. Looks like we're gonna get some good trading weeks. Oh, we do have a lot of meetings here. Really don't know what it is, but I don't trade that all day, all currencies news. I definitely don't like it. Love chop on those days most of the time. Yeah, it looks like good trading weeks, upcoming weeks, which is fun. Right. Yeah, so going to Tuesday. Powell speaking actually. So I'm trading after Powell comes on, which will be after 1:30. So I'm going to the PM session. And then Powell is speaking at 13:30. So a bit more here. So Powell is speaking here. Let's see what I would be looking for. Remove drawings. I see Powell speaking as major news. Now finally he has a sketching up with NQ, which is good. And then now I can finally probably be looking for shorts here. Looking at this entire leg, I'm just looking for inversions. Like, did we close below single inversions? I already see one here, 8 hour, one here, 12 hour. This one disappears. One here, daily. And then we have a singular one, which we didn't close below yet, so I still look for bullish prices, which is unfortunate, but like, yeah, that's still bullish. Didn't close below, even though NQ did, but it doesn't matter. Oh no, actually NQ didn't even, like NQ is still holding this. Like it could be wicking this again. Like I'm not expecting for this to to be wicking this, but yeah, this would be the range. And then the range here on yes, right here. We don't have to tap equilibrium, but yeah, I'm looking for longs in this, which is crazy. But one thing that does prevent me of catching a falling knife is marking out the 4-hour lows here. Always do that, and then have to wait for at least a 5-minute low to get taken then after that 4-hour low, before I can be looking for the opposite direction. So this, yeah, I really like this rule. Like it looks like a TGR trading strategy, but it just prevents me of catching a falling knife. So yeah, a 5-minute low now got taken. Like it doesn't have to be this low, but yeah, 5-minute low has now been taken. So now I can look for a bullish setup. If we, yeah, I do think we're just gonna continue dropping lower, and if we do, like that's totally fine. Like I'm not interested in shorts, so that's totally fine if we do. Is this an inversion? No. 2 minutes. Okay, so what we did here. So here we have an inversion, equal lows, but we don't have a swing high in here. Like we don't have a fractal leg. A fractal leg is always from a swing high to swing low. Swing high, swing low at the same time frame as the inversion, and then you can see we don't have one in here, so it wouldn't be an entry if we do close above, which we did. So I have to wait for an entirely new structure. Even though it played really out really nicely. Damn. Inversion, didn't tap it back into. Like this would be the trade that like this would be the inversion trade again, but yeah, no entry because no fractal lag. Yeah, so waiting for more stars. So far a really nice reaction, but nothing for me. Do we have something in here? 2 minutes. So I got this low. Yes, taking 2 perfectly equal lows, and then no swing low, so still waiting. And almost that's on my kill zone, just 1/2 an hour more. Doing SMT at this now, 2 minutes. Are we above second stage distribution? This is the low, so first stage, oh no, this would be smart money reversal, and then I would say this is low risk, but doesn't matter. This would then be low risk. First stage, oh, that would be second actually. Did we close above this? No, we didn't. So I have to wait until we close above here, but the break even is going to be, oh, not here actually. Looking for safe creation, open efficiency here. I'll be break even there if we close above. So, okay, we didn't close above, so no entry. Waiting for more structure. Wow, 2 minutes. And then now we close above this 2 minutes. Swing low, one swing low, taken, 40.46 in the right time. And this is something as well. I want to be, like I'm getting more data on this. But normally I would take an entry and I would close it at 15:08 manually. It doesn't matter what happens when it's 15:08, I'll just close it manually. But after a specific time, I've seen like 14:30 right there. If I take an entry after 14:30, then I can hold it until 15:30. Like just, yeah, then it would extend that kill zone. So now it's 14:46. And then, yeah, this would extend that kill zone. So place order. That will be the break even. First CP, stage accumulation. Looking at this, a market make a buy model. 1 and 2, no. 1 and 2, no. 1 and 2, yes. It's higher than 1 and 3, yes. Let's say this is 2.93. Let's say this was a 3.03 RR. Then what I would do is, because that's beyond the 1 and 3, then I'll do it not here, because that's not a 1 and 2, then it would be a fixed 1 and 2. So that's always, when I do take it like a fixed 1 and 2, that's the reason I take a fixed 1 and 2 then. But that would be the break even, because on the time frame on the 3 minute we have an open efficiency. And then, yeah, that same on yes, so that high here inside of open efficiency, that'll be here. And then, yeah, this would be first CP, which is crazy. Or it will be outside my kill zone, so we'll see. Just gonna extend this, don't think we will get there, but yeah. So yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, and then break even. Oh yeah, I already marked that out, so let's see. Let's break even. And 15:03. Normally I would close it right here, but waiting now. 15:31. Oh, that's 15:30. How many profit is this? 0.3 R. I'll go back. Now I'll close that session here and did my 1 hour backtesting and again. First day on my second account. Oh yeah. Apex, you mean? How will you take partials in a real account if you trade futures? What do you mean? Like with like 75% off, you mean? Like if it's, I at least take 75% off then. So let's say if I'm in 2 micro contracts or mini contracts, then I take 2 contracts fully off. Because if I take first TP 1 contract off, then it's 50%. And I take minimum 75% off at first TP. So it's going to be 2 contracts then. You can remove contracts, lowest portion, makes sense. Oh, I thought it meant, you meant, yeah. But yeah, as Blade said. What are your kill zone times? It's New York session, 9:30. Only trading 9:30, 11:15. And then 11:15, that's like after that it's lunch. And then from 13:15 to 15, or like, yeah, you could say, wait, I'm gonna do this. 9:30, and then what I do is I trade from, what is it now? 9.55, and then 10 a.m. till 11:15, and then it's gonna be 13:15 until 13:55, and then 14 till 15:08, and then it's gonna be optional. Once I take a trade, it's gonna be 15:30. So the reason behind this is I don't trade 5 minutes before the 4-hour candle opening. So if you are on a 4-hour chart, then 10 a.m. and 14 in the PM session, so 2 p.m. and then 10 a.m. That's when the 4-hour candle opens. And let's say I'm bullish, so let's say I'm looking for longs. Then what most of the time will happen is like a small Judas swing, like a small manipulation leg. So the candle opens, that'll be the 4-hour candle at 10 a.m. or 2 p.m. in the afternoon. And then what we do is we'll open at that time. And then if I'm bullish, I don't want to be seeing that. Like it could be like we don't do this, but that's most of the time what we do. And then we trade lower as like a manipulation, take some sort of liquidity, and then trade higher if I'm bullish. It could also be, that's why the 5 minutes before, it could also be that we have the pre-manipulation, like 5 minutes before, somewhere around there. Like we have some sort of manipulation at that time, and then at 10 a.m. is going to be the expansion. That's why it's not always, but yeah, that's the reason behind 955 and then the 1355. And then just the kill zones, that's like the ICT AM session kill zone. And then specifically 1508, this is just from what I've seen, like it could be, yo, what's up, man? Thank you for subscribing. I don't know, am I going to be doing those notifications? Like, I don't know if I want to be like a Twitch streamer, but no, anyway, it was 1508 because I've tried that in my backtesting. Like I want to be, I looked at, if I look up until when can I close positions top step or hold. Like if you look it up on top step, they say they close their positions at 13:08 p.m. Time, but it's central time. So I thought, okay, if I'm in a trade, I have to close it manually at 13:08 or 3:08, 15:08. Because they will just close it for me anyway. Like I thought that was a 2-minute time period. They're going to close it in here. And then, yeah, I need to get out of that. And I've seen from my data that that time, that last hour of trading, like what I said, is going to be, if I'm in a long, then I've seen that that last hour from 15 to 14 or 15 to 16, I've seen that the last hour, if I'm in a bullish trade, that last hour can just reverse from there. And that will be like the daily open, low, high, and then there'll be the retracement, and this will be the last hour basically. But I've seen that, but it's central time, so it's it actually closes the position in New York time at 16:08 and not 15:08. But I've seen from my data it's best to just close that 15:08 because that retracement lag. So yeah, that's why I just keep 15:08. Otherwise I would close that 15:05 or 15, like doesn't really matter. But just the extra couple minutes I've seen, okay. Just a bit more, like the kill zone from ICT is 15:15 till 15:45. So ICT close kill zone 15, or was it 3:15, 3:45. Or a mark, it's a macro. Yeah, so 3:15 to 3:45, that's the New York last hour macro, and that's when you see, like, normally most of the time it's going in the opposite direction of what it was going. Don't know if it says here, but yeah, that's what I've seen from data as well. So I just closed it a bit before 3:15, and I just, because of top step, it's 3:08, so 15:08. So yeah, that's why I do. Otherwise it can be like 3:15, or you could also close it at like 3:15, but just 15:08. But that's like why it's a weird number. But those are my kill zones. And yeah, they're gonna take this trade in again, which is on a 2-minute. Thought it was on a 3-minute. Place order, save, and then what was it now? Oh yeah, 15:08 or 15:30, sorry. So 15:30, I extend the kill zone. 1, 2. That's 100% off there. $15.30. I'm gonna play this out so I see in my notion what we did after. And of course, like, it doesn't always have to be that last hour is gonna retrace back into like this was bullish, and then we're gonna retrace back in that last hour. But I've seen like most of the time it's a probability game trading that is. So yeah, you want to be avoiding that. So that's why I close it there. I'm gonna look for examples to show like I have really clean examples of that happening. And then this will be a W on that Friday. All right, so let's see if I. Thank you so much for sharing your knowledge and experience. Appreciate you immensely. Of course, man. Of course. No problem at all, man. I even like doing it. So, let's see if there is like looking at these times below here. It's like I'm gonna trade here, and then so that's 15. I think it's like at my break-even trades. So you're 15, and then that last not that crazy, but there are some crazy retracements. So I do have it on here. Otherwise, I think it's on. I think it's more earlier. It's 15. This is extended. I think it's here 15, just a bit earlier. Probably have to look far, because these are all winners, and I just close it once the TP gets hit. Don't really play it at all. But yeah, once you see it, once you really focus on that, like it happens so many times. 15 again, just didn't play it out fully. Yeah, and it's not on here. It's like probably an earlier what's it? Notes 2021, maybe in here. Here maybe 15, like this retrade around 15, but yeah, I'm not gonna. It is somewhere in here, but I have to go through so much. And it's 13, 15, yeah. Oh, but yeah. I'm gonna end the session here, and then again, this session so far is going good, which I don't like, because I want to be August and December. I want to be in neutral on these months, because yeah, again, I want to be doing this full time eventually, and I want to make get the conclusion out of this. Am I going to be trading this once I am trading full time? Am I going to be trading August and December? Is it worth my time even? Is it worth the stress like all the other months, or no? And so far it's going good again, which I don't like. Like I've seen like August and December is definitely not good. They're definitely not good price action as compared to the other months, but yeah, I want to make it as conclusion, so I have to get the data. But if the data again is just showing me it's good, then yeah, it's good. Like I can change the data. Yeah, gonna end the session here then. Yeah, 6 people watching, crazy. Or Trolla then watching. Thank you. Diego, thank you. Blade, thank you as well. Fido, thank you as well. All for watching. Dances, and I think that's everyone. Honestly, oh yeah, again, thank you for watching. Have a good night or a nice day. Don't know where you live, and see you guys hopefully maybe tomorrow again. Tomorrow I will be trading, but don't know live trading. But yeah, again, we'll be definitely backtesting. See you guys.